Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Motorola Edge 60 without the password. Alright, so let's begin. So we have two methods how we can do it on our own, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method is by using Google Find My Device. But you need to make sure that your device has that option enabled in your device. So on another device, we need to open up the Google Chrome. Now we need to be... No, sorry, my bad. Now in the search bar, we need to type Find My Device, select the first option, and now click on Sign In. Now we need to be logged in into the same Google account on which we were logged in on our locked Motorola. So now I need to type my password to my account. Alright, then click on Sign In. Okay, you will have something like that. Now select your Motorola, click on Find My Device. And now we have two ways how we can use it. We can use the app or the web. Let's select the web. Now select your Motorola and select Factory Reset Device. Thanks to that, you will be able to turn off the lock screen, and basically you reset all of your device and you will need to set it up later. But remember that all of your data will be erased permanently from your device. So if you don't have a backup, you won't be able to restore your data. Okay, now simply click on Next, follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly, your phone will be turned off, then turned on again, and basically you need to set up your phone then. Alright, but there is also the second method. When we have our device, we need to turn it off, because we can also reset the device from the recovery mode. So let's turn off our phone. Let's click on Power Off. And now how to get access into the recovery mode. We need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for around, I don't know, 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, something like that. Okay, now using the volume keys, we need to select the recovery mode, tap the power button. Now again we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now we can see this Android logo and it says no comment. Now to move forward, we need to hold the power button and tap the volume up at the same time. Then release your fingers at the same time. And now using the volume keys, select Wipe Data / Factory Reset, confirm by clicking on the power button, select Factory Data Reset again. And remember that in this method you will also lose all of your data, so have that in mind. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now we can see on the screen that data wipe has been completed, so we have our confirmation. Now select Reboot System now, click on the power button, and just like in the previous method, all you need to do now is to set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.